Okay, let me paint you a picture. You're 16, maybe 17. You open Instagram. Some guy your cousin's age is standing in front of a McLaren talking about his freedom lifestyle. You close the app, open TikTok. Another one. I made $12,000 this month with this simple trick. You close that too. And you sit there thinking, okay, but how? Because nobody ever shows the how. They show the car, they show the number, they show the lifestyle, but the actual steps, the actual truth, that part's always missing. And here's what's even more frustrating. You have the internet. You have a laptop or a phone. You have time after school. What you don't have is anyone showing you what to do with those things. That ends today, because in this video, I'm gonna walk you through real side hustles that teenagers right now in 2026 are using to make actual money online, using one free tool, ChatGPT. But before we get into it, I need to say something most of these videos never say. ChatGPT is not a money printer. I know, disappointing, but stay with me. What ChatGPT actually is a speed multiplier. Think about it like this. Imagine you had a job that used to take 4 hours. ChatGPT helps you do it in 45 minutes. That 3 hours and 15 minutes you saved, that's where the money comes from. More work done faster, better, for more clients. That is the opportunity in 2026. And the reason teens specifically have an edge right now, most adults are still scared of AI. They don't trust it. They don't know how to use it properly. You do. You already grew up learning new apps in 20 minutes. You already understand what content works online. You already know what people actually click on. That's not a small advantage. That's a massive one. So let's use it. Method number 1, AI freelance writing. Now I know what you're thinking. Writing? That sounds boring. Fair, but let me show you why this is one of the fastest ways to get your first payment online. Here's the situation. Every single business with a website needs words, blog posts, product descriptions, email newsletters, Instagram captions, and most business owners hate writing. They're busy running their business. They don't want to sit there figuring out the perfect caption for a Tuesday post. So they pay someone else to do it. That someone can be you. Here's how it works. Step 1. Go to Fiverr or Upwork. Both are free to sign up. Create a profile. Doesn't need to be fancy, just clear. Step 2. Offer one specific service. Not I'll write anything. That sounds lazy. Say something like, I write blog posts for small fitness brands, or I write product descriptions for Etsy sellers. Specific sells. Step 3. A client hires you for, let's say, 1,000-word blog post about home workouts for people who have never exercised before. Make it conversational, motivating, and practical. Step 4. You open ChatGPT and type something like, write 1,000-word blog post about beginner home workouts for people who have never exercised before. Make it conversational, motivating, and practical. Step 5. And here's the part that separates people who make money from people who get bad reviews. You edit it. You read it out loud. You fix anything that sounds robotic. You add one personal touch, a joke, a real example, a line that sounds like an actual human thought of it. Then you deliver it. That's the whole process. Now, let's talk money. Beginners usually charge between $10 and $30 per article to start. That sounds small, but remember, with ChatGPT, a 1,000-word article that used to take 3 hours now takes maybe 30 to 40 minutes of actual work. That's your edge. And once you have a few reviews, you move that price up. Some writers on these platforms are making $2,000 to $5,000 a month once they get consistent clients. You're not going to start there, but that's the ceiling. But maybe you don't want to deal with clients. Maybe you don't want someone emailing you at 11 p.m. asking for revisions. Maybe you want something that makes money without you being there. Then the next one is for you. Method number 2, selling digital products. And this is the one that first got me genuinely excited about AI, because the concept is simple. You create something once, you upload it, and it can sell forever. No clients, no deadlines, no revisions, no, can you change the font? Just a product sitting online while you're at school, while you're sleeping, while you're living your actual life. So what kind of digital products are people actually selling? Things like Notion productivity templates, study planners, budget trackers, social media caption packs, AI prompt collections, recipe ebooks, fitness guides, basic stuff. Stuff that people genuinely need and are happy to pay $5 to $15 for. Here's the step-by-step. Step 1. Go to ChatGPT and brainstorm. Ask it, give me 10 digital product ideas for high school students that could sell on Etsy for under $10. You'll get a list. Some will be trash, but 1 or 2 will actually be good ideas. Step 2. Pick one. Let's say a weekly study planner for students. Step 3. Ask ChatGPT to help you build it. Create a detailed weekly study planner with time blocks, a priority list, and a mood tracker. Format it as if it will be designed in Canva. Take what ChatGPT gives you and build it in Canva. Canva is free. You just need to make it look clean and useful. It doesn't need to be complicated. Step 5. Export it as a PDF. Step 6. Upload it to Etsy or Gumroad. Write a clear title and description, which ChatGPT can help you with too. And that's it. Your product is live. Now, here's a realistic number. Let's say you price it at $7. If 100 people buy it in a month, which is not impossible on a platform like Etsy, that's $700 passive. You did the work once. Will it happen overnight? No, you'll probably sell 0 in the first week. That's normal. But the product is there, and every time Etsy shows it to someone new, it has a chance to sell. No extra work from you. That's the power of digital products. Okay. Method 3 is one that's growing faster than almost anything else on YouTube right now. And the crazy part is, you don't need a face. You don't need a voice. You don't even need to be on camera. Method number 3, a faceless AI YouTube channel. I know you've probably heard about this, but I want to explain it properly because most people start these channels wrong and then wonder why they're not growing. The wrong way, starting a channel called motivational quotes or daily facts. These niches are so saturated that YouTube won't even bother showing your videos to anyone. The right way, getting specific. Instead of finance, do money tips for teens who hate math. Instead of history, do historical events that sound completely made up but are real. Instead of tech, do AI tools that replace jobs, and jobs you can get instead. Specific channels attract a specific audience, and specific audiences grow faster. Here's the process. Step 1. Pick your niche. Use this ChatGPT prompt. Act as a YouTube strategist. Give me 10 faceless channel ideas with low competition, high viewer interest, and content I could create without showing my face or using my real voice. Step 2. Choose a video topic. Ask ChatGPT, give me 5 video ideas for a YouTube channel about your niche that would get high click-through rates. Step 3. Get your script. Prompt. Write a YouTube script for a video titled Your Title. Make it conversational, engaging, and structured so viewers don't drop off. Include a strong hook in the first 30 seconds. Now, read the script. Fix anything that feels stiff. Add something personal, one weird thought, one specific detail that makes it sound like a real human thought of it. This is the most important step. Step 4. Generate a voiceover using a free or cheap AI voice tool. There are several good ones available in 2026. Step 5. Add visuals, stock footage, simple text overlays, screen recordings, basic editing. Step 6. Upload consistently. The money comes from YouTube ads once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. That takes time. Some creators get there in 3 months. Some take 8 months. But once you're monetized, some creators with faceless channels in good niches are earning between $1,000 and $5,000 a month from ads alone, plus affiliate links, plus sponsorships. It's slow to start. It compounds fast once it starts working. But I need to say something uncomfortable. Most people who watch this video are going to do nothing. Not because they're lazy, not because they're dumb, but because the gap between I know what to do and I actually did it is enormous. And that gap is where most people live permanently. They'll watch this, feel motivated, maybe even open ChatGPT, and then go back to scrolling. If that's you, I get it. Starting something new is genuinely hard. There's no clear path. It feels like you might waste your time. But here's the truth. Even if your first attempt fails, you spent time learning how online business works, how to write, how to use AI properly, how to talk to clients, how to build something. Those skills don't disappear. They compound. The teens making money right now aren't the most talented ones. They're the ones who started messily, imperfectly, with 0 guarantees, and then kept going. That's the whole plan. If you want a full step-by-step breakdown on any of these, comment which one below. I'll make the next video on whichever method gets the most comments. And if this actually gave you something useful, subscribe. More of this coming. I'll see you in the next one.